Benefits of the Healthier Hospital Initiative are multiple. One, it can help hospitals achieve environmentally preferable strategies. They can achieve environmental performance at a very high level. They can become better neighbors to the communities they serve by reducing their carbon footprint, the pollution that they're responsible for. They can improve patient safety by avoiding patient exposures of certain toxic chemicals. They can improve worker health by also having a more environmentally responsible strategies in their operations, and they can save money. And in this time when healthcare is being so pressured to reduce its costs, to show that sustainability initiative also saves money and improves operations, it becomes a no-brainer at that point. So I think our strategy is just to bring this message to every hospital in America, and they should join.